Unit 8, we learn about chords. How does chord works? If you see a stack of 3 notes, then that's gonna be a block chord. We don't need to read every single letters. All you need to know is it's gonna be written in all lines or all space. Because they are, skip a key in between. If you're too crowded, you're just making noise. That's why, to make nice sound, you put a gap in between. So you only need to read the bottom note, then you will know your chord. For example, if your thumb on middle C, then this will be a C chord. If it moves somewhere, the bottom is G, then this will be a G chord. Today, we learn how to play C chord. So first, if you can't play 3 at the same time, you break it down and hold it. And then take them together all in one go. Same as your left hand. And then you take them together. Block chord study. Start from left hand, C chord, tap, right hand C, soft C, and tap, and together. And you also can break the chord, we call broken chord. Start from left hand, break the